The Kumbh Mela, which kicked off early on Tuesday with thousands taking a holy dip at the confluence of Ganga and Yamuna rivers and the mythical Saraswati, is seeing numerous sadhus and mystics whose varied looks and practices are evoking curiosity among those who have descended on Prayagraj. Pakistani soldiers fired and shelled along the international border and the LOC in Kathua and Rajouri districts of Jammu and Kashmir. Indian Army Jawans guarding the borderline retaliated effectively and strongly. A BSF officer was martyred on Tuesday in sniper fire from across the border in the Samba sector of Jammu and Kashmir. Assistant Commandant Vinay Prasad was hit by a sniper shot at about 10:50 am when he and his patrol party were out for carrying out border domination along the IB. Indian Army will not hesitate to take strong action to deal with terror activities along the border with Pakistan, Army Chief General Bipin Rawat said while addressing Army personnel on the occasion of Army Day on Tuesday. In reference to JNK, he said, "We are ensuring moral dominance along the border in Jammu and Kashmir." Lieutenant General J.S. Nain, General Officer commanding Rising Star Corps, accompanied by Major General Sharad Kapoor, GOC Tiger Division, on Tuesday paid tributes to martyrs at Tiger War Memorial in Jammu to commemorate 71st Indian Army Day. The function was attended by several serving and retired officers, junior commissioned officers and Jawans to pay homage to the brave soldiers who laid down their lives for the country. The ceremony revived proud memories of the supreme sacrifice of gallant soldiers and the indomitable spirit of Indian Army's superb leadership and synergy. Avinash Rai Khanna, Vice President of BJP and in charge of Jammu and Kashmir, said that the party is ready for 2019 General and Assembly elections as they have already divulged duties to party members. Briefing the media persons in Jammu, he said that in 2014, BJP had fought elections in the name of Narendra Modi, but this time, party focus will be on two major points, Modi ka naam aur kaam. He declined any impact of opposition parties coming together for alliance on party's election campaign, as the nation needs a mazboot and not a majboor government. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti has questioned the timing of the filling of the charge sheet against former JNU Students' Union President Kanhaiya Kumar and 9 others, in which 7 are Kashmiri students in a sedition case. She tweeted, "No surprises here. We are months away from the 2019 general election and, like always, using Kashmiris to score extra political points with the Indian electorate has become somewhat of a prerequisite." Minister of State PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh, who is in Jammu while answering a media query regarding JNU sedition case, said that there should be a thorough probe into the matter and also the possible Kashmiri connection should be investigated. He also expressed concern over spreading of anti-social elements into student bodies.
And the infiltration of separatist elements into student bodies is a worrisome phenomenon. जिस प्रकार ये सारा घटनाक्रम सामने आया है और जिसका डॉक्यूमेंट्री प्रूफ उपलब्ध है, वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग, वीडियो विजुअल्स, जहाँ पर के भारत विरोधी और देश को तोड़ने के नारे लगाए गए। जब केस दर्ज किया जाता है तो कहा जाता है कि इसके पीछे पॉलिटिकल मोटिवेशन है। इसका एक दूसरा पहलू ये भी है कि दिस इज अ हैंडफुल ऑफ मिसगाइडेड यूथ हु आर बीइंग यूज्ड बाय सर्टेन political parties.
Various delegations from far-flung areas of Doda, Badarwa, Kathua districts today met Minister of State PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh in Jammu. On the occasion, Dr. Singh highlighted several developmental projects undertaken by him in his constituency, Kathua, Udhampur, Doda, which include Medical College, radio station in Udhampur, Biotech Park in Kathua, Atal Setu Bridge in Basoli and numerous other bridges built by Border Roads Organization. He also mentioned about the Kedia Gandial Bridge, which is to be inaugurated by Union Minister Nitin Gadkari on 22nd January.
और जो उनकी छोटी मोटी समस्याएं थी या उनके जो इनपुट्स थे उसकी भी जानकारी हुई। अनेकों विकास कार्य हुए हैं कठुआ से लेकर के भद्रवाह तक, जो पिछले 5 वर्षों में हुए। और सवाल ये है कि वो 65 वर्ष में क्यों नहीं, उसका उन्होंने आभार भी प्रकट किया। और मुझे इस बात का हर्ष है कि अब धीरे धीरे आम जनता को भी इस बात की समझ आ रही है कि कठुआ में जैसे आप प्रवेश करें, कीडिया घड़ियाल का पुल, जिसका लोकार्पण नितिन गडकरी जी 22 जनवरी को कर रहे हैं।
Water bodies remained frozen in Ladakh region, including Dras, the second coldest place in the world, while night chill intensified, though the maximum temperature remained above normal in the Kashmir Valley, where more snow and rain is predicted for tomorrow. After a rare failure in Sydney, Indian batsmen came to the fore in Adelaide and powered them to a thrilling win. Credit must be given to MS Dhoni, who remained not out on 55 or 54 deliveries and gave his critics the perfect answer with the bat. Also, it was another masterclass from Kohli, who slammed his 39th ODI ton.